In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange payment methods fast and easy. This is perfect if you're looking to streamline your online store operations or just want to customize your payment options for better user experiences. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll find all the back-end tools you need to manage your website, including your online store's settings. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the WooCommerce tab on the side menu. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin for managing e-commerce features on your WordPress site, and it's vital for setting your payment options. Next, click on WooCommerce. This will take you to the main settings area where you'll see various options related to your store. We want to specifically tweak the payment settings, so from here, locate and click on Settings. The settings area is a hub for all the configurations relating to your store's performance and overall management. Once inside the settings, you'll see several tabs related to different functionalities like products, taxes, and shipping. Focus on the tab labeled Payments. When you click on the Payments tab, you're entering the zone where all your current payment methods are listed. You should see different payment options that are active on your site, such as PayPal, Stripe, bank transfers, and others you might have enabled. Now here's where the magic happens. This interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to rearrange your payment methods according to your preference. You can rearrange these payment methods using a simple drag-and-drop action. To do this, click and hold the payment method you'd like to move. Then, drag it up or down the list to your desired position. Once you've positioned it where you want, let go of the mouse button to drop it into place. Reordering these can have a big impact. Not only does it determine which payment option your customers will see first, but it can also streamline the checkout process, thereby enhancing the user experience. It's a small but significant way to cater your site to your customers' preferences. After rearranging, be sure to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom or top right of the screen. Clicking this will ensure that your new order is set and reflected on your customer checkout page. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've swiftly customized the order of your payment methods in WooCommerce. I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your online store's functionality and user interaction. Thank you for watching. And be sure to check out our other guides for more handy tips.